Years ago, a little art student came into my classroom and she said, "Miss Chrissy, aren't art supplies just so beautiful all by themselves?" I'll never forget that moment, and I agree with her completely. Every week as I'm setting out our tools and supplies and waiting for my class to arrive, I remember what she said and what a lovely comment it was. I always look forward to seeing what students will create, and I love getting to know their individual styles, tastes, and personalities. This week in my own home studio, I thought about how much I love the beauty of the cool colors and how important it is to know what each tool does and how using them correctly can help us make the art we want to create. I was thankful for the people who taught me how to color mix, and all of that is a big part of what I'm hoping to share this month. There's a little sticker in my studio that says, "Today could be the day you change a student's life with art." I keep that in mind too, and I'm so excited to see what happens this year in both the classroom and in our lives. Hi, my name is Chrissy Jones, and I teach and make art and teach piano. I thought I'd make a video every week or every couple weeks to let you know what's going on in the art room and share a little bit more about my art. This past first week of classes, what we did was we just did some shaving cream marbled paper. We had a lot of fun with that, and I think the kids were really happy. For the high school, this will lead into floating ink on top of water. It's called suminagashi. We're going to do that using rice paper later. That'll be a more sophisticated version, but we all had a good time and made a big mess. And we talked about warm colors and cool colors and kind of their properties. For the elementary this week, I chose some little wooden flowers. Some of them had wind chimes. I'm dropping everything everywhere. And some of the key points we talked about is that as we grow in art, we want to learn to change brushes. When you have a little child with a paintbrush, they will use that one paintbrush to do everything. If they're going to paint broad strokes, they'll use the same brush. If they're going to try to make tiny polka dots, they'll make the same brush, even if that brush doesn't do a good job with that. So we talked about thinking about what we want to accomplish and what the best tool is for the job. We also took a look, I already spilled my paint, but we talked about washing our brush before we change paint colors to keep the paint colors clean. We talked a little bit about what happens if we mix. For example, if they were to get yellow and blue and mix them separately, what color that would turn into. We talked about double loading a brush, putting two colors on at once, and what a pretty color that can make. So with the high school and junior high and high school, we talked about cyanotype, and we learned about mixing the chemicals for that, preparing our own cyanotype paper. We also used some cyanotype paper that had been pre-prepared, so they were able to kind of have an instant look and first try at that. We're going to be studying cyanotype for a few weeks. We talked about a bit of the history, how that got started, and that's pretty much my update. I will be making another video shortly to tell about what's coming up. If you'd like, subscribe to my channel and subscribe for the updates. You can make it, I think, personalized or all. If you choose all, you'll get that weekly notification and you can hear what we're doing. And I look forward to seeing you all in class.